Hi, today we are rebel crafting making birthday cards using Perfect Mix stamp set. Hi, welcome back. This is Eileen Judd, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I'm here to show you how to make some cards using stamp sets and things you have in my version of rebel crafting, because it gives me an opportunity to use my retired stamp sets that I never got to use, and hopefully it'll benefit you if you have the similar stamp set and want just some ideas on how to use stuff. So remember, at the end of this video, head down to the link down below this video to see where the products and stuff I have that are still available, and get the details for how I made this card. But let's get started on having some fun. I'm going to use the Memento ink to stamp out this. I'm just creating this design off the top of my head. It's cute. I love the Perfect Mix stamp set. But I'm sure that you can find something similar or comparable in the current catalog if you don't have the stamp set. I just like using what I have. Oh, I'm making these cards. I'm making little batches of different cards for the teachers at my daughter's school. For their birthdays. I'm in charge of giving birthday cards and gift cards to the teachers for their birthdays, and actually this year we're able to do the whole staff. I'm on the PTO board, and I do several different things to help them out. Now I'm going to color these, and it's so in my head. Sometimes I forget to say stuff. Someone brought me my markers. And I think I'm just going to find some light gray. I don't know if it's a retired marker. But that's the fun part of rebel crafting. Just find a marker that's doable for you. You can mix it up different colors. I'm not exactly sure what card, well, I know what cardstock I'm using, the thick Whisper White cardstock, and I'm using the regular white cardstock for these because they're thinner. I like using the thick cardstock for card bases because they're much stronger and make it seem more professional, even if it's just a simple card. And honestly, a simple card is more than a lot of people can make when it comes to crafting. So never worry that you're not doing a good enough job. The fact that you went and made a card in the first place is really all that counts. People enjoy that. Sometimes out of mistakes you can make something even better than you thought. Oh, I believe this marker color is Smoky Slate, which I believe still is available as of now, October 2018. The Stampin' Up website. Remember, you can always shop at my store at stampingmama.stampinup.net 24/7. And don't be afraid to hit up the clearance rack. There's always some sort of goodie in there. I love saving money, so share the joy, right? Let's see. Oh, I'm trying to stamp this in all wrong. So I made my own DSP. I just took the full 8.5 by 11 inch thick, whisper thick white cardstock, and I stamped using mint macaron or mint macaron to the cardstock. I can't remember if that's a retired color because they brought so many colors back. It's been a while since I've looked at the catalog. I need to get a refresher, don't I? So let's see if, because I was just doing something simple. I was trying to bait if I should just do that. Maybe I should just paint a brown egg, one brown egg for each of them. I think that might be a good idea. Paint color. I don't know how to talk. Let's see if I can find a light brown egg or I don't know. A really dark brown egg. I'm thinking I should go with one of the lighter eggs. Guess I'll go with soft sweet after all. Alright, I'll just roll with it. Just using what I have. I think it really matters what quality of cardstock that you actually use to color. And Stampin' Up's cardstock takes colors really well, so it looks prettier. Stampin' Up cardstock is really pretty. Glue. This might be fun. Let's see. all about the bass, no trouble. And that's failed. I accidentally glued the layer. You can glue the layer down, or you can pop the layer up. I was just going to pop the layer up, but things happen. Not the way you want them. I didn't realize you guys couldn't see what I was doing, so I apologize. I love this Tombow glue. There's something that Stampin' Up! Still currently sells, along with the Stampin' Up! Simply scoreboard, which is what I use to score these nice creases on these cards. And I love the Stampin' Up! Scoreboard because it's so simple. I've seen other scoreboards that are really confusing, so I highly recommend the Simply Scoreboard from Stampin' Up! Plus it makes your job making cards lots easier, and you can make several different things, like boxes and 3D stuff. Look at that. Now we're going to pop up the sentiment, and then we're going to find some embellishment to make this a little better. Helpful to flip these over and take our dimensionals. Oops. These Stampin' Up! Dimensionals are thicker than 3D tape, so they give more of a pop but not too thick. But you need, if you're sending this through the mail, always use plenty, because the things will bow in the middle. And next to a street. So lots of noise. Is there a stamp set out there that you've been dying to try, that you have at home that you just haven't had a chance to use? Comment the stamp set down below. If I have one of the stamp sets, I will be happy to do a video for you. But I encourage you to play with that stamp set that you haven't been able to use, because what we should be doing in life is using what we have. It's fun to buy new stuff, but we should use what we have so we can justify buying new stuff, right? Oh, that seems to go better. I guess I'm doing bows and not this. So 6 bows it is. stone. Glue dots, if you have them, will help with stuff like this. Two more to go. Then I need to stamp my sentiment inside. I'm gonna try to do more mint macaron because it's what I have out. That's pretty good. Gotta be careful because the ribbons are not glued. Just simple. You're one in a million. Happy birthday. Nothing too fancy. Don't have a lot of time. There we go. One more. And we're done. I want to thank you for watching this video. I hope you find this inspiring to use what you have. If you have any questions, please comment below. Don't feel free to visit my website, stampingmama.com, for more details. Until next time, happy crafting.